Good morning, children. Today's session we are going to learn about soil, formation of soil, soil profile, and conservation of soil. So, let us learn these points one by one. We all know that soil is the uppermost layer of the earth that we can see. So, it has air spaces, water, nutrients, and thus plants grow on the soil. Even small animals make the shelter in it. Without soil, there will not be any plant life on land. So, children, let us learn more about this top layer of earth in detail. Let us understand how was soil formed from rocks. When the earth was formed many millions of years ago, there were only rocks on its surface. The rocks broke down gradually due to the action of the wind in the smaller pieces. Slowly, the broken small rock pieces got mixed with dead and decaying plant materials. After millions of years, these pieces changed into soil. So here, due to the action of heat, rain and wind, it is big rocks are changed into the smaller pieces. Later, these smaller pieces broke down and got mixed with dead and rotting plants. After millions of years, these pieces changed into soil. Then, soil was formed. The process of breaking up of rocks to form soil is called weathering. Soil is continuously being formed due to weathering. However, the process is very slow and it takes millions of years for a thin layer of soil to form. Now, let us understand the most important point from this lesson, that is soil profile. Children, you know very well, soil is a mixture of mineral particles of different shapes and sizes. So, it includes living organisms, dead remains of plants and animals, air, and water. Children, if you dig deep into the soil, you will find different layers of soil. So, here you will find some layers are dark colored while some are light. So, these layers of soil together make the soil profile. Profile consists of three layers such as topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. As shown in the diagram, the very first layer of soil profile is topsoil. It is topmost layer of soil. It is loose, soft, and dark in color. So, do you know, children, its dark color is due to the presence of humus in it. So, here, what is humus? Children, humus is rich in nutrients and it is good for plants' growth. Thus, topsoil is the most fertile layer of soil. Why? Because it is nutritious and this is important for the growth of plant. Roots of many grasses and plants are found in this topsoil layer. So it is home to various animals like earthworms, insects, etc. Carefully observe second layer of soil profile, that is subsoil. So it is middle layer of soil present below the topsoil. It also contains different amount of sand, clay and small pebbles. It lacks humus and due to the absence of humus, this layer of soil is light in color. Bedrock. It is bottom layer of soil profile made of big rocks. So it is formed of large pieces of rocks deep inside the soil. And that's why soil formation begins from bedrocks. Soil conservation. It means to protect the soil from erosion. that is washing or blowing away of the topsoil layer by wind or water. And we all know topsoil is the most essential and fertile layer of soil due to presence of humus, and which is rich in nutrient and responsible for growth of the plant. And loss of topsoil affects the growth of plants and crops and also disturb the interdepending relationship between plants and animals. That's why we need to conserve soil and protect our precious resource. By covering crops, fields lie bare between a harvest and the next sowing. So, farmers plant cover crops to prevent soil erosion. It means covering the bare fields by growing cover crops like grass after harvesting the standing crop and before rising the next crop. Next point, cover crops are usually creepers and grasses which grow faster and cover the ground to prevent what? Yes, soil erosion. Next, afforestation. It means we can conserve soil by planting more and more trees on a large scale. Grasses hold the soil in place and prevent it from getting eroded, and thus should be grown on hill slopes to prevent what? Soil erosion. Hence, children, keep our planet Earth green by planting more trees, rather each one plant one. Thank you.